Hello guys, now the next step is how to solve one text in a very quick manner. Let's move ahead. If you look at this text, there are basically 6 paragraphs with the title. So quickly you just go through the title. So the title is Mon école idéale, which means my ideal school. So straight away we will start with the questions. So the first question is choisissez la bonne réponse. So there are 2 paragraphs we need to focus on, which is paragraph 1 and 2. It means only in these 2 paragraphs you will get the answer to the first 2 questions. So it says according to the text Mari Etune. So there are 4 professions which are given: journalist, which means journalist; autrice, which means an author or a writer; enseignante, which means a teacher; and then actrice, which means actors. Now look at quickly the first 2-3 words will give you the answer to this question, the right selection. It says Marie qui écrit des livres. So Marie, who writes some books. So it means the answer is autrice, is the writer. So that's why the answer is B. So you will just write B here and your work is done. Let's move ahead. La texte s'adresse à des. So the text, which is this one, is addressed to adults, children. Lector means the readers, all kind of readers and professors. So let's look at whether this text is addressed to whom. So let's say it says Marie qui écrit des livres pour les adultes, for the adults, like for the children. So these 2, 3, 4 words, 4, 5 words will give you, or one line will give you the answer that she is a person who is not specific to adults or children. She writes for the lector. It means all kind of the readers. So it means this is the number C. The answer is number C. Fine. So this is how it has to be. Let's look at the third question. According to the text, à l'école Marie. According to the text, in the school Marie était en avance sur les autres élèves. So was early in comparison to the other children. Était une élève was a child, very hardworking child. Avait des difficultés à apprendre, has some difficulty in understanding. Attendait que les autres le aide, was used to wait that the others help her. So these are the 4 options, and let's see whether we can quickly get this or not. It says the question, because it's there is a question in this being asked to her, what is the memory you are keeping from the school? It says c'était horrible, it was horrible. Je savais lire, I used to know reading and writing very early, avant d'entrer à l'école, before entering to the school. Then she says, j'ai donc passé des années, so I spent years sitting on the chair. So she didn't work hard. À attendre que les autres apprennent, and waiting that the others learn. So because she already knew about reading and writing, and so for her it was easy. So the option first is the right answer, because she was early in comparison to the other children. Nowhere it's mentioned about these 3 lines. So that's why the question number 3 has the option A. Now we need to find out now the correct questions here, because as per the format, if you look at this format, is what is this? It is an interview, because here there are questions and then the answer is there. So we need to find out what will be the right question which can come here. So here, after she is talking about her memory, she says a new maîtresse est arrivée dans l'école où j'allais. Elle avait décidé d'appliquer une méthode pédagogique nouvelle appelée la méthode French. So she's talking about some method. So what has happened? Now the possible question is, qu'est-ce qui a changé pour vous ensuite? What has changed for you after that? So this is the question which is going to come on the number 3. And then number 4, in Denmark, 20% of the classes, 20% des classes de maternelle sont dans la nature, are in the nature. Les enfants passent la journée dans la forêt. The children, they spend the day in the forest. It's amazing she's talking about. Then she says my ideal school is on the basis of this model, you know. So it means she's talking about her ideal school here. So let's see if there is any question on that. Here is, if you look at the option A, pouvez-vous nous décrire votre école idéale? Can you describe your your ideal school? So it means that's the one here. For the sixth one, she says I don't know, just the school. It means you are talking about anything, any question related to maybe how would you call your school as an ideal school. So that's why the option D is correct for the sixth one. She says just, I don't know, just the school. It is a good word, school, so it is very melodious, and so for her ideal school will be called as just a school. And let's move ahead. 7th, 8th, 9th and 10th question is again very easy. It's not that tough, because what we supposed to hear is, it says we need to find out the words qui ont la signification suivante, which has the same meaning basically. So en droite, let's see, en droite, c'est le lieu le plus important dans votre école. Lieu, so this is the word place, so that's why the word le lieu will come here. Now premièrement means firstly. So what is the synonym of firstly? We need to find out. So this is the word d'abord. If you see d'abord means firstly, so it means the word firstly will come here. Then the school, les toilettes dans leur établissement, in the establishment, which means we're talking about here establishment, as the school is the establishment, so that's why établissement is the answer in this. Then cafeteria, what can be the synonym of cafeteria here? Puis une cantine avec une cuisine, a canteen with a cuisine, with a kitchen. So it means a canteen, une cantine would be the answer for this. So these are the 4 answers for 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's move ahead to the last 2 options. So it says according to the paragraph 6, préparer des repas aide les enfants à. So according to the paragraph 6, prepare some meals which helps the children to cook well, be in good form, learn to calculate and sleep in the day basically. So let's look at this paragraph 6. It says préparer le repas, on apprend beaucoup, we learn a lot, en cuisinant, while cooking. So what we learn? To count and to read. So what are the options? To reading is option is not given here. So learning to calculate, so count, so it means C is the correct option here. Now looking at the whole text format till now, if you look at, we can easily get this answer. This is the text is an article, blog, interview or a questionnaire. Obviously it is an interview. So this is the paper we have done for text A. How to quickly solve this text A. Now the next will be text B. We will do it together in the next video. Wait for more. And guys, do not forget to subscribe, and if you like it, do like this video. Over this.